Creating content for your community every week can take a lot of time. You finish a coaching call, then you still need to turn that into post updates and engagement. But with GoHighLevel, you can instantly share your session recordings as posts and keep your audience engaged without creating everything from scratch. Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly on how we can do it. We'll cover this in 3 simple steps. First, where to access the community inside GoHighLevel. Second, how to instantly turn a session recording into a post. And lastly, third, how to automate notifications so members can instantly see it. And of course, before we jump in, you want to check the link on the description box below if you want to follow along using GoHighLevel yourself. Now, we'll explore the same features that I'm about to show you. So once again, head over onto the link on the description box below. Now, after creating your account using the link on the description box below, it will then take us to the account dashboard. Now, first, let's go ahead and access the accounts community or the account group. In here, you want to navigate through the left sidebar, which is going to be this one. In here, we simply have our AI agents, your marketing, automation, and more. You want to click on the membership options, which is simply going to be this one. Now, wait for the page to load in, and then there's a lot of things that you can unravel inside this page, so you just want to follow along. In here, you could just click on communities. It will then show us 3 options on which we can then select the group right here. So in my case, I already have my own group, but if this is your first time creating it, you want to click on the create group option, and then from there we could proceed by creating our own community. Now with this one, we are able to log in into the group account. So we could just click on the login option, and then it will take us to the entire community itself. In my case, I don't have any posts yet because I've just created this group or community right here. But if you want to go ahead and view your session recordings and make it automate, you want to click on your profile icon or your avatar. It's going to be at the top right corner of your screen. Click manage your account. And then inside, we have the meeting category under account. So it's going to be this one. Now in here, you have your meeting URL and you also have your recordings. Now as a note, after every meeting, basically everything will be recorded so we can instantly share it off the get-go. Now, obviously you have to click on the recordings option. It's going to be this one. And then right after, this is going to be the meeting that I've set up. Now, as I have mentioned, it's instantly recorded for the recording sessions right here. Now, if you want to publish this off the get-go, it's going to be extremely simple. You want to click on the 3 dots, click share as post, and now we could select our community or our group right here. Of course, in my case, I'm going to be sharing it or publishing it onto my group. In here, you have your attachment. You have the title for the meeting right here. In my case, this is my personal meeting that I'm about to give to my community right here. So I have my notes, I have my personal sessions, etc. And of course, you can also enable or add some descriptions if you want to. My personal meeting. You could have the ability to enable comments, add a document, videos, images, etc., and many more. So let's just click on the post option, click view post, and voila, our post is now on our community with a simple click of a button. And so guys, once again, you want to go ahead and use the link on the description box below to get the exclusive features for using the link right here. So basically, once you have posted your videos or your meetings. Now people can go ahead and interact, engage, and basically reply to your own personal post right here. You could simply ask for follow ups, leave comments, continue the conversation, and even if they missed the live session, that turns one coaching call into a long term content for the entire community itself. Now, let's go ahead and automate the process right here, which make things a lot easier. Now, of course, we have to go ahead and open up workflows. Now you can go ahead and access this inside your account's dashboard. Once again, it's going to be at the left sidebar. In here, you want to click on automation. If you want to make things a lot easier, you could just click on the create workflow and you can build one using AI. And you could type something like create a trigger like session recording uploaded, then add actions like notify members, send reply emails, or post SMS reminders. Now every session can automatically turn into content plus follow-ups. So you could just go ahead and let the AI do its work. But of course, if you want to go ahead and do this manually, we could simply go ahead and do so. Once again, you want to navigate through the GoHighLevel options right here. And then inside, click Create Workflow. And we can simply start from scratch using this option right here. Now you can add your triggers manually, so you could set this up the way you want to. Click add new trigger. In here we have something like task reminder, task completed, and a lot more. Of course, we want to go ahead and add something like videos uploaded. So basically what this all means is that one coaching session becomes multiple touch points, replay inside the communities, email notification, text reminders, and engagement all automatically. You're saving hours while staying visible with your audiences. And so that's how you exactly turn session recordings into community posts inside GoHighLevel. Once again, you can access these options inside the left sidebar. Now it's really hidden for some. You want to click memberships, navigate through communities, and in here we have the groups option. Once again, you could create your own group, you could join a new one, and many more. You could just click on the create group button and you should be good to go. You will then be logged in onto the community account that you have. Now, once again, you want to check the link on the description box below to get the exclusive discounts or features. And of course, thanks for watching this video. If you're interested into similar videos or topics like this one, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and follow us for similar content like this one. Thanks for watching.